Welcome back to our YouTube
channel.
So for today's video guys, maglalaro kami ni Jacob ng Phonics challenge para kay Jacob. So ito yung mga phonetic sounds of the English alphabet. So disclaimer lang, hindi ako phonetician or phonics teacher or nagtuturo ng phonics. Ayan. So disclaimer lang, ito lang yung kakayanan ko.
Teacher, what's in there?
Na para ituro kay Jacob yung sounds ng English
A, B, C, D.
yeah, letters or sounds. So let's start with this, and Jacob, you will also give a word for this letter, okay?
Me, I teach. Okay, you give me the.
Wow. There is a reward if you can win this challenge.
Me.
Yes.
I teach. I teach them. Okay, give me the surprise.
Yeah, a surprise. You want what? Okay, I will give you a surprise.
You give me
But
the.
it's a surprise, It's a surprise, so I will not tell you what is that. Okay?
Me, go.
Start, guys. Okay, Jacob, you can do this. Yeah.
Thank you, mommy.
Yeah.
Teacher.
Okay, let's do this, guys. The first letter for Jacob is
B.
B. B.
Bus, baby.
Very good. Okay, next.
P. Packing, papa.
Oh,
Or
very,
pig.
very good.
Or
Or what else?
poop.
Or poop. Good job,
F.
F.
Fire truck, fire.
Oh, fire truck and fire.
And family mart.
Family Mart.
S.
S. Show them
Fire
your...
gun.
What S?
Sun.
Sun. Oh, what else?
Or sunny.
Sunny. Very good to Jacob, Sun and Sunny. Oh, P.
T.
T.
Tomica.
Very good.
Or Toto.
Toto. Oh, Toto. Toto.
Tota.
Drive me safely home. What else for T? This year is the year of the...
Tiger.
Very good. Tiger.
L.
L.
Lip balm.
Lip balm.
Lip.
Lip. Oh, what else? L.
Lamb.
Love. Very good, Jacob. Very
Lamborghini. Lexus.
Lexus. Okay, this one.
A.
A.
Apple.
Oh, apple.
M. Mom. Or mommy.
Very good. What else?
Or
What else? What word for
milk.
Milk. Good job. Do you have more? You have more to say?
No.
No. Okay.
I. E.
E.
Itchy.
Oh, very good. Itchy.
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Good job, Jacob.
Itchy 是怎样
Itchy 是痒痒，对的。Itchy 是痒痒。
？R.
Ah.
Red.
Red. Good job. What else?
Lots.
Rice. What?
Lots. Lots.
Rat. What's that? Rotten.
No.
Rat. Rat.
There,
Rat. Okay, rat. What else? Do you have something to say?
No.
The
Rain.
rain. Good job. Okay, this one. This is
W.
W. What is for W?
What?
What? Oh, very
White.
good. What? White. What else?
Water.
Very good. Water. Wow, very good si Jacob. Ano na ni Jacob, oh?
V. Van.
Oh. What else?
Violet.
Violet. Very good. What else?
Volcano.
Volcano. Very good. Volcano Jacob ah.
Jacob.
Jacob. Good job. Oh. There's more?
No.
No. Oh, this one.
Q.
Tasan natin.
Qua.
Oh, what's for qua? Q.
Quiet.
Quiet. Good job. What else?
Run.
Run.
R.
It's R. It's for R. Run. Q. Quiet. What else? Quake. Pizza na ito ya. Very good si Jacob na guys. This one. Okay. This one.
D. Dog.
Dog.
Dinosaur.
Dinosaur. Oh, very good oh. How about this one? This is tricky.
K.
Okay. Tasan natin.
Kangaroo.
Kangaroo. Very good. Good job. Okay, this one.
G.
Kasama. Oh, good job.
Someone?
Garbage.
Garbage.
Grape.
Great.
Okay, that's for letter G.
Or garbage truck.
Garbage truck, yes.
O.
Oh.
Orange.
Orange. This is it down. Orange. Oh, what else? Oh, orange.
O.
Oh,
Octopus.
octopus. Very good. How about this letter?
H.
H.
Honda. Hyundai.
Okay, Honda.
Hat.
Heart. Oh, very good.
Smile.
Heart. Heart. Smile. Oh, smile.
Happy.
Happy. Very good. Wow. This one.
E.
E.
A.
Oh, very good. Egg. Oh, good job.
N.
N.
Nissan.
Nissan.
No.
No. What else?
No.
Nose. Note or nose? This one, guys.
U.
Oh, it's for you.
U is for
Umbrella.
the umbrella. The umbrella. C. Car.
Car.
Candy.
Candy. My name is Candy.
Candy shell.
Candy shop. Oh, this one.
X.
Very good. What's for X?
X.
X Park.
Park.
X Park. X-Men.
Men. Or X car.
X car. Okay. Y.
Y.
Y is for what?
Yacht.
Yacht. Very good. Yacht. Letter
Z.
Z.
Zoo.
Zoo. What else?
Zoom.
Zoom. Kay zoom. What else? Zipper.
Zipper.
Very good si Jacob. Zoo and zoom and zipper. Guys. Ano! Yay! Yay! Good job, Jacob. So guys, sa tingin nyo ba pumasa si Jacob sa ating challenge?
A, B, C, D.
Yan. Comment down below guys kung nakapasa si Jacob sa ating ABC,
So many books.
Phonetics,
Mommy,
English.
so down so many books.
Yeah. Here, may mga book kami nag-challenge kami ni
Kamiga.
Jacob, guys. So Sana guys, nagustuhan nyo rin to ang aming video ni Jacob. So maganda tong learning activities para sa mga bagets natin. So ito talaga ang pinakauna-unang importante matutunan ni Jacob para pag nagbasa na siya, ito yung talagang pinakauna-una kasi yung letters sa phonetic sounds of the English alphabet, ito talaga yung parang foundation nila to begin na magbasa. Yan. So, paisa-isa lang.
Have so many book.
Yeah. Paisa-isa lang. Minsan nakakalimutan ko na.
again.
Yeah, you want to learn again. So, paisa-isa lang guys. Padahan-dahan lang. Hindi naman natin
Mommy,
bibiglain.
give me so many toy.
Okay. Later. So, that's all for today's video guys. Hope you like and
Like and subscribe.
subscribe.
Bye-bye.
See you guys on our next video. Bye-bye. Good job.